One of the new features in this release of Module Creator is the ability to modify skills and skill clusters. You can see on this page that we have some new buttons that allow you to add skill clusters, add a skill, edit cluster, delete cluster, reorder clusters, and when you hover over any of the skills, you can see that there are a set of buttons that appear that allow you to edit skill, delete skill, and reorder skill. Let's start by adding a new skill cluster. Type in a name for your skill cluster, click Save, and then the cluster will appear at the top. If you want to add a skill to that cluster, click Add Skill, and you can see that there are a set of preset skills you can choose from. We'll cover that in a minute. For now, I'm going to create my own skill. If you don't click Add Mini Task, you will have a default mini task added that later on you will need to modify when you go to the instruction page. I'm going to go ahead and enter the mini task information right here. Click Save Skill, and you'll see your skill appears right there underneath your skill cluster. Now let's try adding a skill using one of the presets. These presets are from the LDC prototype. When you click on one of them, you'll see that the skill information gets pre-filled into the form. And also, a mini task that matches that skill will be added as well. Click Save Skill, and that skill will appear in your cluster. In order to modify the cluster's name, click Edit Cluster, type a new name, and click Save. In order to edit the skill description or name, click Edit Skill, type in a new name and description, and click Save. You can also reorder skills. When you hover over this button, you'll see that your mouse changes to a move icon. You can reorder skills within a cluster, or you can even move it to another cluster. You can reorder entire clusters by clicking the Reorder Clusters button. And if you bring your mouse down to the bottom of the screen or to the top, the screen will automatically scroll so that you can move your clusters. In order to delete a skill, click the Delete Skill button and click OK. If you want to delete an entire cluster, click the Delete Cluster button, and this will delete the entire cluster and all of the skills inside of it. By the way, reordering is not available on the iPad at this point. It's only available for regular desktop and laptop computers. So that's how you modify skills and skill clusters in the new release of Module Creator.